When your Aura frame gets stuck on the checking for updates screen, it's usually related to the automatic firmware update process. Let's explore what's happening and how to fix it. Aura frames receive over-the-air updates automatically to improve functionality and security. These updates require a stable internet connection to download and install properly. The first troubleshooting step is power cycling. Unplug your frame from the power outlet, wait 10 to 20 seconds, then plug it back in. This resolves temporary glitches that may interrupt the update process. If power cycling doesn't work, check your Wi-Fi connection. Move the frame closer to your router for a stronger signal and restart your router by unplugging it for 10 seconds. If the issue persists, perform a hardware reset. Locate the small reset button on the back of your frame. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds until the frame restarts. These 3 steps, power cycling, Wi-Fi troubleshooting, and hardware reset, resolve most checking for updates issues. They address temporary glitches and connectivity problems that commonly interrupt the update process. When basic troubleshooting fails, the issue often lies with the Aura Frames app itself or complex network configurations. Let's explore advanced solutions. First, force stop the Aura Frames app on your phone. This closes any background processes that might be interfering with the update connection. Next, clear the app's cache and data. This removes temporary files and resets the app to a fresh state. Note that this will remove any offline data stored in the app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Aura Frames app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Updates often include bug fixes that resolve update issues. If problems persist, completely uninstall and reinstall the Aura Frames app. This provides a completely fresh installation that can resolve persistent software conflicts. Network compatibility can also cause update problems. Some users have reported specific issues with Eero mesh networks due to potential chipset incompatibilities. If you're using an Eero mesh network, try connecting the frame to a different network temporarily to test if this resolves the update issue. As a last resort before contacting support, leave your frame plugged in overnight. Some updates can take several hours to complete, especially if there are server delays or large firmware files. If none of these advanced solutions work, it's time to contact Aura customer support. They have access to diagnostic tools and can provide device-specific guidance. When contacting support, provide your frame model number, the current app version, and a detailed description of the problem, including what troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Aura's customer support team can diagnose hardware issues, provide firmware updates manually, or replace defective units if necessary. They have improved response times and can often resolve complex update problems quickly.